Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the HMRC app. First, ensure you download the official HMRC app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, you'll need to register or sign in using your existing government gateway user ID and password. For enhanced security and convenience, set up a 6-digit PIN or enable biometric login, such as fingerprint or face recognition, to access your tax information quickly and safely. The HMRC app makes it simple to view your essential tax details. You can easily access your personal tax account to see your income tax estimates for the current tax year. It's also straightforward to check your tax code and ensure it is accurate, helping you avoid over or underpaying. Furthermore, you can review your complete national insurance contributions history, which is crucial for understanding your state pension eligibility and other benefits. Managing your tax payments and refunds is incredibly convenient with the HMRC app. You can make secure payments for your self-assessment tax directly from your mobile device, saving you time and effort. The app also allows you to view your entire payment history and keep track of any upcoming payment deadlines, ensuring you never miss a date. Additionally, you can easily check the status of any tax refunds you are expecting, providing peace of mind. Beyond the core functions, the HMRC app offers several other useful features to simplify your tax affairs. You can update personal details, like your address, directly within the app, ensuring your records are always current. The app also provides helpful reminders for important tax deadlines, helping you stay organized. For any queries, you can contact HMRC securely through the in-app messaging service, receiving direct and confidential support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.